Hi, good day. So, nagbabalik na naman si Sir Cram para magturo sa inyo ng panibagong lesson. At ngayon, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba tayo mag-plot ng points within a rectangular coordinate system o yung tinatawag nating Cartesian plane. But before that, let me just introduce to you kung sino nga ba ang author ng rectangular coordinate system. Actually, he's siya yan. And he is a French philosopher and also a mathematician and was considered as a great influencer of modern times. So, he was known as the father of analytic geometry and also known as the father of modern mathematics. And he was born on March 31, 1596 and died because of pneumonia on February 11, 1650. And his name is René Descartes. So much for the author. Let's now proceed to the looks of the Cartesian plane. So that's this is how it looks. So actually the Cartesian plane is the intersection of two number lines where the two number lines intersect at exactly 90-degree angle. That means sila ay perpendicular to each other. And we have the horizontal number line and it is called as the x-axis, and also the vertical number line which is called the y-axis. And we have the numbers. We have the increasing numbers for both axes. So para sa x-axis, increasing numbers are found on the right part. Okay, from the point of intersection, and para naman sa y-axis on the upper part. From the point of intersection, and we have also the decreasing numbers for the x-axis found on the left part, and for the y-axis on the down part. Okay, so actually all the points within the Cartesian plane is identified by an ordered pair or coordinate pair x, y. So yung x, yun yung tinatawag nating abscissa, at yung y naman ay tinatawag nating ordinate. So, the point where the two line or where the two number line intersect is called the point of origin or the point 0, 0. So, they both have a value of 0. So, pareha silang nasa 0. Kaya point of origin. And actually, nung nag-intersect yung dalawang number line, kung mapapansin nyo, they formed or the plane was divided into 4 regions. At ang regions na yon ay tinatawag na quadrants. That's why we have 4 quadrants and they are counterclockwise. Yung pag-name ng quadrants, counterclockwise. Starting with quadrant 1 up to 4. So, paano nga ba natin gagamitin itong mga quadrants na to? So, ano nga ba ang tulong nito para sa atin? Ang quadrants will actually help us to easily locate the points within the Cartesian plane. Kasi ang quadrants na yan, kapag alam nyo yan, malulocate natin kaagad yung points because each quadrant has a combination of signs of x and y. May mga sign yan. Okay, para sa quadrant 1, combination of positive x and then positive y. So, kapag ang given na point has positive x and positive y, automatically, the point is found in quadrant 1. Kapag nasa quadrant 2 naman, ang point ay negative ang x pero positive ang y. And quadrant 3 naman kapag negative ang parehas na ordered pair. And sa quadrant 4, positive ang x while negative naman yung y. And by the way, as you can see, both the lines up and down, left and right have arrowheads. So that means yung nakikita nyong number is not just the end of the number line. So yan. So ibig sabihin, we can extend the line infinitely to show numbers more than the numbers na nakikita nyo dito sa screen. So, and as you can see, all numbers are just whole numbers. Pero we can actually insert fractions and decimals depende sa kung saan sila dapat i-insert. Say for example, sa x-axis, we need to insert 1.5. So between 1 and 2. So nasa gitna siya kasi 0.5. Okay, so dito siya. And we can actually write there 1.5. Or kung ayaw nyo naman ilagay kasi masyado ng maliit, we can actually estimate the point kung saan siya ilalagay. Para naman pag-locate natin ng point, malapit tayo sa katotohanan or shall I say, exact location of the point. Kasi merong mga pagkakataon na ang mga points includes fractions and decimal. So much for the introduction of the rectangular coordinate system. So now let's proceed to locating the points. So, ayan, nilagay ko na sa gilid yung mga quadrants for us to be guided. However, I hope na pag gumawa na kayo ng inyong Cartesian plane, alam nyo na kung saan nga ba yung quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, and quadrant 4. Para naman mas madali inyong ma-point out kung nasaan yung location ng isang point. And actually, this rectangular coordinate system is ideal or can be used also with the real life situation. Say for example, nasa gitna ka ng kalsada at gusto mong malaman kung saan ang location ng lugar na yan, ng church, or depende sa inyo. Depende sa iyo. Okay? So we have now I have here 4 points na kailangan nating i-locate. So 8,8, negative 5, positive 5, 3, 0, negative 7, and negative 3. Okay. So we start with 8,8. So the first thing we need to consider is the value of x, which is 8. Positive ang 8. Positive din yung positive yung 8 sa x, positive din yung 8 sa y. So that means the point is located on what quadrant? Okay, quadrant 1. So now, consider 8 for the value of x. So that means we are going to count from the origin 8 units to the right kasi positive nga siya, increasing, di ba? Positive numbers. So, from the point of origin, we count 8 units. So, andyan yung arrow for us to be guided that there are 8 units. And then from that point, kung saan huminto yung arrow, magbibilang naman tayo ng 8 units upward. Kasi positive yung y. So, yan. Kung mapapansin nyo, kung saan huminto yung, kung saan huminto yung arrow, kapantay din niya yung numbers. Number 8 within the y-axis. Although, hindi ko na ipakita kasi, kumbaga, kulang na sa space or sinadya ko talagang hindi ilagay yung 8. Ayan. So, ito na yung end ng arrow. So, that means, that is where 8,8 is located. Okay, so tanggalin ko na yung guide. And then, ilalagay ko na yung ordered pair na 8,8 to indicate that this point is 8, 8. Next, negative 5, 5. So, as you can see, negative 5, yung x ay negative at yung y ay positive. That means it is located within Okay, so quadrant 2. Okay. So, from the point of origin, we count 5 units to the right or to the left. Okay, that's right. To the left. Kasi negative siya. So, decreasing number. So, from the point of origin, we count 5 units. So, yan. Obviously, sa negative 5 siya mag-end. And then, from negative 5, we count 5 units up. Kasi positive yung y. And then, the end of the arrow means that that is the point where negative 5, 5 located. So, I hope nasusundan nyo kung ano yung ginagawa natin. So, the next one is 3, 0. Okay. So, from the origin, we count 3 units to the right. And so, nag-stop siya sa 3. And then, the value of y is 0. So, that means there will be no movement at all. Kasi nga 0 siya. Hindi tayo magka-count ng units upward or downward. So, that means kung ilang unit lang siya sa x-axis from the point of the origin, dun lang ang point. So, we remove the point, and then we place the ordered pair 3, 0. So, sir, saan bang quadrant nakalagay yan? Sa quadrant 1 or quadrant 4? Actually, not in the choices kasi as you can see, the point lies within the x-axis mismo. So, nangyayari itong mga case na to kapag ang value ng y ay 0. So, ibig sabihin yung point is located within the x-axis mismo. However, kung baliktad naman, let's say for example, 0 yung x and then 3 ang y. So, ibig sabihin, ang point ay makikita nyo within the y-axis. Okay, kasi starting from the origin, walang movement na mangyayari sa x-axis. And then, we proceed to the counting of units upward para sa y-axis. Okay. So, yan ang special case or case na naglalay ang point within the axis. Now, let's proceed to the last point, which is negative 7 and negative 3. Okay. So, obviously, this point is located within quadrant 3. Kasi both of the ordered pair are negative. Okay, so we count 7 units from the point of origin to the left. Kasi negative yung x. So, yan. It is stopped to negative 7. And then from negative 7, we count 3 units downward. Kasi negative yung y. Okay. So, as you can see, kapantay lang niya yung negative 3. So, ilalagay na natin yung point and then we place the ordered pair negative 7 and negative 3. So, kung mapapansin nyo, kapantay siya ng negative 7, kapantay din siya ng negative 3. Intersection lang ng dalawang number. Anong ordered pair? Okay. So, actually, this is the end of my discussion and I hope that with these 4 points, you have already the idea on how you are going to locate a point within the rectangular coordinate system. And tandaan, kapag meron kayong tanong, huwag mahihiyang magtanong. You can place your question on the comment section and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel para naman updated kayo sa mga next video tutorial na i-upload ko. Okay, maraming salamat and have a good day.